Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I got this super easy, fun look. So let's go ahead and begin. Alright, so I'm starting off on 4-day-old hair and I'm going ahead and I'm just creating a middle part. Nothing too fancy. The main part that you want to look decent is the middle part, and then after that, the next two parts that I'm doing right here, it doesn't really have to be all that even because you're barely going to see them towards the end of this style. So I'm just parting this section here. Like I said before, it doesn't need to be even. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And for the back of the hair, I'm just removing it out of the way and putting it in a ponytail for the time being until I'm ready to tackle that section. So now I'm going in with some warm water just to saturate my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with the Entwine Vegan Leave-In Conditioner. I'll leave the link to that in the description box. And I'm just applying that for some added moisture to my hair. And then I'm gonna hook up these edges real quick with the Red Aqua Hair Wax, which is basically the gel that I use for my hair. And I'm just going to use my brush to slick down the front before I begin to flat twist. If you want to see a more in detailed flat twist tutorial, I do have a video for you guys. I'll just leave it in the cards above if you want to learn how to flat twist your hair. After twisting my hair, I just use a bobby pin to move that little section out of my way. So this is that moment where I realized that my part was not straight. So here I'm just trying to finesse my part and I'm going to be pulling it out of the flat twist. I advise you guys to not try this at home so y'all don't say that Mel broke y'all hair. So here, if this does happen to you, you just want to pull very gently until your hair comes out. If you don't feel comfortable pulling out your hair this way, then you're just gonna have to redo the flat twist all over again, and I was really trying to avoid that. So now we're back to our regularly scheduled program, and now I'm just fixing my part to my liking, and we'll go ahead and start the flat twist. Now I'm just repeating the same steps that I did on the other side to this side. Now heading to the back of my hair, I'm spritzing it with the warm water again. I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner to the back of my hair to add some moisture as well. And then we're gonna go ahead and unclip my two twists and add it into the ponytail. So this is the first complete look. You don't have to add a faux puff. A faux puff is definitely optional, so this is what it looks like without the faux puff. But because I want to have a little bit more fullness in the back of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and add the faux puff. So I'll be using the Freetress Drawstring Afro in the color 1B. It has 2 clips on the inside or 2 combs on the inside, and then a drawstring. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the combs that's within the puff and secure the puff onto my mini bun in the back of my head. And then to make sure that it's secure, it's not moving anywhere, just in case somebody decides they want to go ahead and snatch it, I'm going to basically secure it and make sure that it's not going anywhere. Now I'm going in on these edges. Nothing special about my edges, y'all, because they lift after a few hours, but the red one gel, it seems to hold my edges in place for a while. I don't use Got2b gel because I feel like that gel breaks my hair. So I'm just sticking to what I know or what works for me. Edges are not my forte, but I still will hook them up just so that the style can look neat. So once my edges are laid, this is the finished product right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and be just a little bit extra and add some hair jewelry. And you can find these at your local beauty supply store. This is the final look, you all. I hope that you enjoyed this video for this super easy natural hairstyle. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.